Hello friends, would you love to know my secret? How I've been able to reverse age and to look and feel 20 years younger in spite of the fact that I am the same age as the Super Bowl, which unfortunately for me will be 57 this year. I have discovered through studying and doing so much research as a health and longevity coach in the Nashville area. And if you're new to this channel, I am Casey Ann Reynolds. I'm in the Nashville area. I'm currently a teacher and a wellness and longevity coach and personal trainer. And I've been studying for about 5 years when I went on this little health journey and lost a lot of weight and realized that I was losing weight, which was wonderful, but also my face drastically changed. And so click onto my video for something even more wonderful that I figured out through studying a lot of videos is Botox in a bottle. It's so amazing and costs less than $20. So you got to see that video. And these are the tricks, hacks. I am having some longer videos coming out in this upcoming year. This year will be 2023, and I'm gonna be taking some virtual clients also. So these are my tricks for living longer. My doctor does do my blood work every year, and she said she's never seen such amazing blood work. So I am healthy on the inside and out. And also, as you can see, I don't have eye bags, don't have any wrinkles, I don't use Botox and fillers or any sort of plastic surgery whatsoever, but yet my face is completely clear and free in my chest. No wrinkles, our crepey skin, our double chins are some of the things, bat wings and such that we associate with the aging process. So these are my 3 must do. This is just gonna be a short video. These are just 3 things you absolutely have to do to fight the aging process, to get rid of wrinkles, to be healthy on the inside and the outside. So let's go behind the counter and I will show you my 3 things I do each and every day. And I've consistently been doing it for 2 years now. And so I do feel that yes, Botox in a bottle has made amazing difference. Love Botox in a bottle, but I'm also kind of thinking that these other products are certainly helping me to reverse the aging process. And since my blood work, my doctor says gets better and better every year to the point where she's just like amazed that, you know, it is reversing the aging process on the inside because you're not your chronological age. You are actually the age that you look, as long as it's natural and not plastic surgery. Alrighty, so these are my 3 must-do products. And so I'm gonna go behind the counter and let's talk. Okay, so there is an upcoming video. It's gonna be the 8 steps to reversing the aging process and to burn your belly fat. Yes, to burn that belly fat without counting calories, macros, and to actually be the healthiest and best shape. But this is what I do. 3 things you can do right now before you even start any programs is collagen in your coffee. And this is for wrinkles, this is for joint pain, this is for stomach issues. I do 2 scoops, 2 cups of coffee. Coffee is well proven to fight dementia and Alzheimer's. Highly recommend it. If you can't stand the taste of it, get over it. You don't want to be in the old folks' home wearing some diapers, now do you? Drink your coffee. Don't drink too much, but 2 cups a day is the recommended amount. So I've got 2 cups of coffee, and there's actually a pretty big cup of coffee. I'm just gonna use 1 scoop of collagen, and I drink this first thing in the morning. There's a lot of research that says you should wait an hour till you drink your coffee, but unfortunately, I can't do that. I am too tired in the morning. I wake up at 4:30, so that's just a little bit harder for me. Love this product. I love Zen Principles. It's the largest product and the most reasonably priced on Amazon. Love it, okay? Love that product. I'm gonna add, if you've watched my videos, if you're new to my channel, you are gonna know I am just a teacher right now, special education teacher in Nashville. And I love all these because I'm on a budget. All these has just an amazing products and for such good prices. So this is, of course, all these you want to use, very important to use full fat, half and half, because if you're following my program, you will be fasting. So you're gonna need that little bit extra calories. Do not put any sugar sweeteners, stevia, any of those things your brain just recognizes as sweetness. And I'll go into that when I do my whole master classes of how to reverse the aging process and burn belly fat at the same time. It is a 2-for-1 special in the year 2023. All right, so do that every morning. And then about mid-morning or before I'm going to the gym, I'm going to do electrolyte. I love this electrolyte. My son uses them also. He's a rock climber. You need B vitamins to fight wrinkles. This has biotin, this has B12, it gives you energy, it fights depression. There's really not much else. This is just amazing. A little bit of potassium, a little bit of magnesium, not so much that you could have too much, and a little bit of zinc. It's just wonderful and perfect. You wouldn't want to drink more than 1 scoop a day because that would be kind of an excessive amount of B vitamins. It does have a lot of B12. Alrighty, so I'm gonna add that to filtered water. I love using mason jars. You're gonna see some upcoming videos, or you can click on my boosting testosterone video right there. Avoid plastics. Plastics add estrogen, which of course is going to give you belly fat, okay? So we wanna stay away from plastics, but we'll talk about that in more videos. So I just get mason jars, plastic lids, and perfect, love it. I'm gonna drink this, and it's gonna also encourage me to drink more water. The other thing I like to drink, especially if it's cold and flu season, is just some elderberry tea. So I drink my tea cold with some ice. Then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of ginger because that's going to burn some fat and get rid of that belly fat. Yes, we wanna get rid of that. You could also drink that tea hot. All right, so this is what we need to eat. This is a green Mediterranean keto diet. It is high protein. It is low fat, unlike your historic traditional keto diet, which are very high in fat. And that can cause people some health problems because my clients are older friends. They may be in their 60s and 70s, and they really shouldn't be eating that high levels of fat. So this is just a simple, easy peasy salad, just spinach, and it has peppers. You wanna kind of have a rainbow. You want this little beautiful, bright and colorful. I only had zucchini today. I was a little low on groceries, and you always want to add protein. In this case was an egg. So a great source of protein is this chicken salad. I get this actually from Sam's Club, chicken breast. You could get this anywhere. It has 19 grams of protein per serving. You're gonna be looking to get 100 grams of protein a day. So definitely wanna get a lot at lunch. And so I'm just gonna simply take that chicken and just kind of add that to the top. So that's about a half can, and I will come home from the gym later on today, add a little mayonnaise and eat the rest of that on a few crackers, because on my diet, unless I'm in a real fat burning stage, which would be your first 3 weeks, I can go ahead and eat about 50 grams of carbs, even all the way up to 100 if I'm on maintenance. Alrighty, so I just use any sort of dressing. I highly recommend you not use light dressing because you are gonna need some calories. This would be a meal to break a fast, so go ahead and put some calories. Again, Aldi's, because I love you, Aldi's. This is just my weakness. Yes, my weakness. I don't know how I discovered this, that these crispy fried onions, oh, Min's joining the video. This is my little cat, Min. His real name is Minalushi, and he does not have a tail, but he was born that way. He didn't lose his tail unexpectedly, but he needs to get off the counter. Anyhow, these little bad boys only have 3 grams of carbs. And if you start keto, the first thing you're gonna notice, or the Mediterranean green keto, because we're not gonna be eating any gluten, pasta, or bread, is that it's a little bit softer and you might miss crunch. So if you're missing a little bit of crunch, there's no harm in taking just a small handful. If you don't want to cover the salad or anything like that, just a little bit will be fine. You know, just that's perfect. It's gonna add about 3 grams of carbs. And honestly, their ingredient list is not too bad. I was actually pleasantly surprised that they just have onions, oil, wheat flour, dextrose, and salt. So that's really good. This is pretty much completely whole foods, except for the onions were a little bit processed. Everything else, healthy, natural. We've gotten through pretty much the whole day. And then I will be going over dinner in my next upcoming video. So make sure, friends, that you click onto my video of how to reverse aging and how to get rid of chest wrinkles, age spots, and all those things that we just don't love as we get older. So click onto that video right now because you want to learn those, especially as we have upcoming holiday season or if you have a big event to go to. And also I'm gonna be releasing a bunch more videos that's going to help you lose weight to be the very best you reverse age. So you want to subscribe. Oh my gosh, it's free. You're gonna get so healthy and this is gonna just change your life. I want to change your life. And there's one more video of how to change your life. Thank you, friend. You've been awesome and amazing. And I hope that you just get to be your very best you and lose that 20 pounds of fat and also lose that 20 years.